In today's video, we are going to show you how to use ILOVEPDF on your PC. Whether you need to merge PDFs, compress large files, convert documents, or edit PDF files, ILOVEPDF provides a complete set of online tools that can help you get the job done quickly and easily. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your preferred web browser and go to the official website, which is www.ilovepdf.com. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in ILOVEPDF, I want you to click the sign up button because creating an account here is simple. All you have to do is provide your business or work email and click the sign up button. And to make the account creation faster and easier, you can also sign up using your Facebook, your Google, and then follow the on-screen instructions. Once you are logged in, you will find several categories of tools on the homepage. You have the Merge PDF, Split PDF, you can compress, you can convert PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, or PDF to Excel. These tools allows you to organize, optimize, convert, and edit and secure your PDF documents directly from your browser. Now, if you want to edit a specific PDF, all you have to do is click the Edit PDF button here. Or if you want, you can go to the top corner, go to the Edit PDF, and click the Edit PDF, and what will happen is you'll be forwarded to a new page. You can simply select the PDF file in your computer, or you can also drag and drop the PDF file and then wait for the file to load. Here you can annotate, you can edit, you can add your own logo, you can add your signature. It's up to you. Once you're happy with it, for example, let's say we're going to add a text, click the Save Changes, and you will be asked to download this file in your computer. You can also continue to compress the PDF, and if you want to share this, you can use the Facebook or LinkedIn. Now, if you want an offline version of the ILOVEPDF, you can simply go to the top right corner. Go to the applications. You have the option to download the ILOVEPDF desktop application in your Windows or Mac OS and just follow the on-screen instructions. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use ILOVEPDF on your PC. As you can see, it's a simple platform that makes it easy to merge, split, compress, convert, edit, and secure PDF files without installing additional software. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.